Recent months have been positive for China's equity market, with the Shanghai Composite Index surpassing the 4,000-point mark by the end of 2025. Global financial institution UBS expects the rally to continue, forecasting Asia profits to rise by 8% in 2026. In the first 3 quarters of 2025, Asia profits grew by 5.5%, largely driven by gains in the financial sector. While a projected increase in 2026 may appear more moderate, UBS analysts say growth will be supported by improvements in the real economy. Market observers believe the current rally reflects longer-term structural strength and policy support, suggesting the upward momentum could be sustained.
The supportive policies that are coming, obviously it's the 15th five-year plenum. I think we're very excited about what that means. And the technology side, equally, I think, when it comes to biotech, there's a lot of excitement. Clearly, there's always been a lot of interest in EVs, the brands becoming global, Chinese brands. I live in London. You can't go anywhere without seeing Chinese electric vehicles and Chinese mobile phones. So I think that the potential for continued growth is real.
Beyond equities, UBS also forecasts China's GDP to grow by 4.5% in 2026. Where lower than the rapid growth seen in previous years, economists describe the pace as solid and sustainable for a large and a complex economy. They know that challenges remain, particularly in boosting domestic consumption and stabilizing the property sector, but maintain a generally positive outlook.
China appears to be pretty resilient to tariff, which is very good news for China. On the other hand, of course, China, there are more sort of long-term challenges, which is really about the sort of geopolitical environment. That's one. The second one is more purely economic, and it is really about maintaining this growth above between 4 and 5%. We currently have a growth forecast of 4.5% for 2026. We are confident that this can be achieved, but over the medium-long term, these issues will have to be addressed eventually.
China's economy continues to face challenges, including domestic issues such as a weaker consumer demand and a struggling real estate sector, as well as external pressures from geopolitical tensions and a softer global demand. Despite all this, economists maintained a positive outlook for the new year, particularly with emerging productive forces play a key role in driving future growth. Chen Tong, CGTN, Shanghai.